think I've been making covers for your beats for years, and you've been making music for me for years, so it's time.
Long time ago, Brendan was the music guy, and Andreas was the art guy. And they would make music and art for each other, until one day they stepped out of the lab, and they mixed up a potion. And after they consumed the potion, things were never the same.
Recording in progress.
Got him. There it is.
There it is.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah, what's up, dude?
What's up, dog? How you doing, man?
Pretty good, man. How are you?
Good, man. All right, so what's up, man? When are we doing this?
I mean, I'm down to start. Honestly, I'll probably start it today. I think I'm just gonna try and wing it at first, but if I get stuck, I'll definitely ask you.
I would just get high. Make something.
Hell yeah. That's usually the go-to. All right, so
Yeah.
what's the idea? What are we
We're
doing?
just gonna raw dog it and send to the wolves. I mean, it's gotta be original. What do you think? Do you want to do no loops at all? You can use samples, of course, but no loops, right?
What do you mean use samples? Like sample like sounds and shit, you're saying?
I feel like if you're gonna do a beat, you know, you gotta do the drums by scratch.
All right. You usually start off with the drums or the melody or
That's a
what?
personal thing, I think. That's gonna be up to you.
All right. Yeah, I guess once I have the beat, I'll send it to you and then you're going to do the cover art for it.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be cool to see what we do with each other's stuff.
I'm low-key excited for the art.
Hell yeah.
I'm excited to see what I'm about to do.
You think you're going to hand draw it or Photoshop or what?
I'm most likely not going to hand draw it. You said no stock photos, so we're not doing that. So you guys set the rules for that.
Yeah, I guess let's just try and keep it original, no stock photos. You can definitely take photos of whatever you want. If you got any old shit that you have that you want to use, that's cool. All Brendan original shit. I think I've been making covers for your beats for years, and you've been making music for me for years, so it's time.
All right. Fuck around, send me some shit. I'll start thinking of some ideas. I guess that's how we usually do it anyway. So I guess that makes sense to the process.
Yeah, I feel like you usually like tell me like you have an idea and then I wait a while and then you send me it and then I start working on it. Yeah, we definitely go back and forth a bit.
All right. That'll work. Yeah, dude, that's going to be exciting. Let me ask you this. How big of a challenge, on a scale of 1 to 10, how big of a challenge do you think this is going to be?
I don't know, man. Probably like one of the harder things I've done recently art-wise.
Give me a number.
I'll give it an 8.
Per recommendation of Brendan. He says he always gets his juices flowing with a nice puff of the ganja, so cheers. Maybe 2 puffs.
So confusing. Holy shit.
All right, so this is Andreas's art cover. Let's see how this fucking goes. Gotta get my notepad. That's number one. That took a fucking minute. So I got my pen, I got my paper. I'm doing art for fucking Andreas here. I think I already have an idea of what I want to do because he said something about aliens and shit, but I'm gonna listen to the song. We're gonna see what's going on here. No internet, great start. That's a great start. So, screen record right now, it's fine. So just listening to the music shared with me. Andreas does beats. Here we go. I'm gonna sketch some. There it is. We're in. All right, so he really went for it on that one. So already I got an idea right here. Gonna try to use the aliens from South Park, copy them a little bit, draw them on my own, and try to digitize it somehow. So I think we're gonna have to go into, let's just fuck around with it. In Illustrator, this is gonna be interesting. So that's what he said to use, Illustrator. That's what we're about to do. Then we're about to try to draw some shit. Fuck it. Alright, definitely some interesting vibes there. Definitely sounds like first time making music or a song. Multiple ideas in there, I'm hearing that. We kind of got a theme right around here. It's fun stuff. It's not easy, folks. It's not easy. All right, off to a great start here. I think first things first, let's try to get that UFO in there. What is this? Curve and straight lines, all right. Alrighty, there we go. That's the first UFO shape. That's actually kind of tough. We're gonna go with that. There we go. All right, so hey, we're getting somewhere. This isn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. So we'll see what I do with this.
That's it, man. That's a wrap.
That's a wrap, dog. That shit, honestly, bro, that shit was fun. Dude, I'm fucking in, dude. I'm a freelance graphic designer, bitch. Get at me, dog.
Doesn't take much, man.
Definitely
didn't take 4 years of school.
Yeah, it sure did. It just took one challenge with a homie. What about you, dude?
It was fun too, man. Like, it was a good challenge. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be, but it was pretty intimidating at first, just not knowing any of the tools or anything.
Yeah, it was interesting for sure. It definitely sounded like you were experimenting with shit.
I got the drum beat down and I was fucking with that, and then the melody totally fucked me up. I was like, damn, I don't know what to do now.
The thing is, it's endless, bro. There's no one there telling you anything. But yeah, what did you think of the art?
It was cool, man. It changed a lot, and I like the very end when the overlays came on.
Once I was like, get that first over, I was like, oh, it's on, dog. Let's go, dude. Man, that shit was hella fun. I'm excited for this next one, too. The idea of remixing your shit would be fun. You do the beat, and then I remix it.
Yeah, I think it would be fun to remix your art, too.
Let's just do that.
I think that'll be cool to see what we can do with each other's ideas.
Yeah. All right, let's do that. All right, man. I'll talk to you, bro.
All right, man. You have a good night.
All right, you too, bro. Be safe, dude.